So here we go. What am I doing? As you can see, I'm spreading feed on the floor. Why is this important for your day olds? Your day olds will not have the sense to feed from the feeder. They won't go to the feeder to eat. They will eat anything they see on the floor. So in order to introduce them to feeding, you spread the feed on the floor. After spreading the feed on the floor, you allow them to feed from there. As you can see, the floor is already set up. We've applied our sawdust to protect the chicks, the birds, to protect them from cold. And then we've applied our newspaper on top the sawdust so that it can absorb their poop. So if you are following us, please follow and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.